Go to Google and type Licecap. Go to this link and download the Licecap software. Now I am installing the Licecap software. Now open the Licecap software. Click record button and give a name to the file. Now Licecap will record the desktop work and it will save it as animated GIF format. When you finish your work, click the stop button. Now open the GIF file in any one browser. We can use title frame for intro purpose. Enable the title frame option. You can also set timing for the title frame. We can also set big font for the title frame. We can also display the duration of the animated GIF. Enable elapsed time. Now you can see the duration of the animated GIF. We can show cursor highlight using this option, mouse button press. Enable it. Now you can see the cursor with the highlight option. We can repeat the animation from one time to infinite time. Now you can see the animation was repeated only 2 times as per the settings. We can use GIF transparency to get less size file. Enable it. Now let me see the size of this file. It was 4.97 KB. Again, we use the Licecap animation and this time we are disabling the GIF transparency option. Now let me see the size of the disabled GIF transparency option. It was 5.32 KB. We can stop recording our desktop work automatically using this option at specific time. You can see the difference here. The recording was stopped automatically.